At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Setting up an LLC, limited liability company, for an individual is a straightforward process. Here are the general steps you can follow. 1. Research and plan. Determine if forming an LLC is the right business structure for your needs. LLCs offer liability protection and flexibility in management and taxation. Research the requirements and regulations for LLC formation in your state or country. Each jurisdiction has its own rules regarding LLC formation. 2. Choose a name. Select a unique name for your LLC that complies with the naming rules of your state. Usually, the name must include LLC or Limited Liability Company and cannot be too similar to existing business names in your state. 3. File Articles of Organization. Prepare and file the Articles of Organization, sometimes called Certificate of Formation or Certificate of Organization, with the appropriate state agency. This typically involves providing basic information about the LLC, such as its name, address, registered agent, and purpose. 4. Appoint a registered agent. Designate a registered agent for your LLC. This is a person or entity authorized to receive legal documents and official correspondence on behalf of the LLC. 5. Create an operating agreement. While not always required by law, it's highly recommended to create an operating agreement for your LLC. This document outlines the ownership and management structure, as well as the rights and responsibilities of the members. It helps clarify the internal workings of the LLC and can be valuable in case of disputes. 6. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Depending on the nature of your business and your location, you may need to obtain permits or licenses to operate legally. Research the requirements specific to your industry and locality.
7. Opting an Employer-Identifikation Number ein.
An EIN is a unique identifier for your LLC, similar to a social security number for individuals. You can obtain an EIN from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, through their website or by mail. 8. Comply with ongoing requirements. After forming your LLC, you'll need to fulfill ongoing requirements such as filing annual reports, paying taxes, and maintaining proper records. Stay informed about your state's regulations to ensure compliance. 9. Open a business bank account. To keep your personal and business finances separate, open a dedicated bank account for your LLC. This helps maintain the limited liability protection offered by the LLC structure. 10. Consult professionals if needed. Depending on your specific situation and the complexity of your business, you may want to consult with legal, tax, or financial professionals for guidance throughout the LLC formation process. Remember to check the specific requirements and procedures in your state or country, as they can vary. It's also wise to consider the long-term implications of forming an LLC and how it aligns with your business goals and objectives. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.